Durud. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Speak Persian Now. So today I'm going to do my final video on Persian language letter tracing series. So the letters for today are he. Actually I did it last session. So the sound is he. Another form he, that is a connected one. Another form that is a medial form he, and another connected form that comes at the final of the words is also he. And I'm going to cover at the end ye, the capital, and ye, the small form. So you remember this one. So we had it last session how to write this hair. So it was very simple, and it was just like a kind of curvy, uh, let's say, circle. Uh, so for example, we can use this in this Persian word. We may say oh. So we may use this symbol oh, like oh my god, oh, چی شد? Oh, what happened? For example, oh. The next one is uh, we say in Persian هی دو چشم. You know, it's a he like the word hot, heat, hood. It has got two eyes, so we call it he with two eyes. So how do you do it? You know, again, it's like you have to be good at drawing, so you have to do it like this. You see, like this. One more time, like this. So if you follow the examples, it might help you. So what do? You start from above the red line, and then you start drawing this line, and then you continue like semicircle, then you go through it, and then it becomes it. Uh, for example, the word haraz, you know, we can use it in this Persian word. So haraz. So haraz, as you can see, it is connected to the letter re. The next one is the medial form of he. We use it, for example, in the word Bahman, means one meaning of Bahman in Persian is avalanche. As you can see here, it is connected to be and me. So how do you write it? It is a straight line, then you make it like this, and you continue. So one more time, a straight line like this, and you continue. This is a little hard, unfortunately it's right here. So you write like this. Sorry, you have to use a straight line. Look, a straight line, then like this. Then you may continue. So if you follow the examples, you start with a straight line, then you form two loops up and down. So you form two loops up and down, and then a straight line. The last one is, okay, this form, straight line. It is, okay, very simple, I believe. So how do you write it? You have got a straight and like this. So this is another head that comes at the end of the words. For example, like this one, we use bahbah. So as you can see here, bahbah, ajab dast khatti. If I want to translate, I would say, wow, what a handwriting. Wow, I am so good at writing. So actually it is not, because I have not been writing a lot in Persian. and of course doing it on, I mean, doing it on this, let's say, I mean, device is pretty difficult. So please excuse me if I'm not doing it very well. But if you listen to me and do, I mean, follow what I mean, follow my guidelines, you may be able to write them. And if I go to the last one here, we have got yes sound. So as you can see, you start from above the line, the red line, and you make a curvy kind of circle, semicircle. So you start from above this, and you write this way. So yeah, I think it needs practice. So as you might see, I can do it easier like this, and I can use in this phrase, in this word in Persian, Didi. If I ask it, Didi, did you see it? Can you imagine? You use such a long phrase, did you see it? We just say Didi, or something more, Didish. And the last one, as you can see, is yes sound that I used here. So yes sound is very simple. Okay, you just a small line, or is a vertical line and horizontal line and two dots. So one more time. And so it's easy to write for me this way. That is yes sound. So I hope what I try to do in this series can help you to learn how to write Persian alphabet. So one more time, I'm going to read them and say goodbye to you. So the first one was, let's say, ah sound. Actually, for ah sound, I have to also say this. For ah sound, we have got, if it doesn't have this hat, if you have got this symbol, it is a. If it has got this symbol, e. And if it has got this symbol, we have to pronounce them o. So a, e, o. So I would cover, I mean, these issues, inshallah, in later videos. But for now, just let's review them and wrap up this episode. So A, B, P, T, C, B, small b, B, P, small p, T, small t, C, small c, J, Ç, H, X, the small form J, Ç, H, X, D, Z, R, Z, J, C, small form C, Ş, Ş, S, small form S, Z, small form Z, T, Z, A. This is Ain. It has got the same story like here. So we might have different forms of Ain and Rein. Okay. So if it has got this symbol A, if it has got this symbol above it O, if it has got this symbol below it A. So the sounds are the same, but the meanings are quite different with these ones. So for example, the name Ali, the name of a person. So we have to write it with ain. Sorry, we have to write it with ain ali, because this one with this symbol has got a different meanings. This one we would not read ali, it would be a kind of Arabic word. So they are also very important to learn. So we have got ain, 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 or I would say that was the letter name, the letter's name. So it is kind of, uh, I mean, the sound would change according to these symbols that I told you. And the next one is re sound, re, fe, a small one, re, che, ge, le, me, ne, ve, and different kinds of he and ye. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon. Bye bye.